Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we make delicious meals that won't break the bank. Today we're going to make jalapeno popper macaroni salad. We're going to take 4 to 5 large jalapenos. We're going to drizzle them in some olive oil, not a lot, just enough to get them covered. We're going to coat them all, coat them up, get them covered with the olive oil. Then we're going to salt and pepper all over the peppers. We're going to roast the peppers in a preheated oven of 425 degrees for 10 minutes. Onto a pot, we're going to add some water. And some salt. Now we're going to bring it to a boil. To a skillet over medium-high heat, we're going to cook 6 to 8 ounces of bacon. Now, this bacon needs to be crumbled later, so I'm going to cut it up with these scissors. I'm going to cook this bacon until it's nice and crispy. Now, if the water's starting to boil, we're going to add in 8 ounces of elbow macaroni noodles. We're going to cook them until they're al dente. And now that the pepper's out of the oven, we're going to let them cool down. Now that the bacon's nice and crispy, we're going to take it out with a slotted spoon, place it on a paper towel lined plate, and let them cool down. And now we're going to cube up 4 ounces of cheddar cheese. I'm going to add that to this bowl. Then we need 2 ounces of cream cheese. Go ahead and add it directly to the bowl. Those jalapenos, we're going to dice. We're going to chop them up. And we add those to the bowl. Then we're going to crumble that bacon in. We're going to add 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. One-quarter cup of sour cream. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And we're going to give that all mixed together. Then we're going to add in our macaroni noodles. And we're going to stir that together. Now we're going to store in the refrigerator in an airtight container And then once it's cooled down, there ain't nothing left to do but to eat. Now let's dig in. Bon appetit. That was really good. Cost us right at $15 to make, and it feeds 6 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.